In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with Digistore24 even as a complete beginner. And this is XB Marketing with another video. So I'm going to walk you through a simple strategy that you can start implementing today and start making money online. So you want to come over to Digistore24.com. If you don't have an account with them, it's absolutely free to use. All you just need to do is create an account. Is worldwide available. Okay, so once you've created your account, you want to head over to this section where it says internet marketing and e-business. Once you come over to this section right here, you want to promote this tube mastery and monetization by MatPar. As you can see right here, you are going to get over $200 in commission. So basically all you just need to do is make a sale a day and you are making over $200 a day. Now I am going to show you one of the easiest way that you can use to make money promoting this course. All right, so once you've created your account right here, all you need to do is click on this promote now button. So once you click on that, you are going to see your affiliate link right here, and if you click on this link right here, it's going to take you to another tab. As you can see, this is the sales page of this course right here. All right, so basically all your visitor needs to do is to click on enroll now and they'll be taken to a free webinar. All right, so basically if they go to that free webinar, MatPar, the owner of this course, is going to upsell them on his main course. All right, so now I am only going to show how to drive traffic to this course using one of the easiest strategies. So now the first thing you want to do, of course, is you want to grab your link right here. So once you copy your link, then you want to head over to Google and you want to type in make money online blogs. Basically, you want to see the list of websites that are making content around make money online. As you can see right here, this course is about making money online. And you can also type in make money online on YouTube. If you type that on Google, you are going to see a lot of websites that are making content around this make money online on YouTube as well. So now I am going to show you an example of the type of blogs that you want to look for. So if I click on this one as an example, as you can see, this blog right here is talking about how to make money blogging in 2022. And I can guarantee you that a lot of people are going to read this article. All right, so if you scroll down to the very bottom of this page, you can see right here people are leaving comments on this blog. So now I am not saying you should go over here and spam your link. All right, that method is not going to work. You basically want to go through the article on this blog and you want to leave a recommendation to this course right here. All right, so basically you just want to write a very short comment and you want to recommend this tube mastery course right here. So basically that is the first way that you can use to start driving traffic to your affiliate link. This is a very engaging post. As you can see, there are a lot of comments on it. And now if you go back, as you can see right here, this is not the only website you can use. You can also look at this other website right here. If they have a section where you can leave a comment, then you want to leave a simple comment related to the content of that post and you want to recommend this course right here. Now I am going to show you the second method that you can use to drive traffic to this product right here. So you want to head over to YouTube and you want to type in how to make money on YouTube. All right, I can guarantee you that millions of people are searching for this on YouTube already. So once you click on that and you search, you can see right here there are a lot of videos about how to make money on YouTube. So you can see this one has over 300,000 views. Also, you can see this one has 6.7 million views, which means there are millions of people who are looking to make money on YouTube. So basically you want to capitalize on these people and you want to recommend them this course and you want to get your commission. So now how do you do this? You want to click on any of these videos right here. All right, if they are ranking at the top, it means that video must be getting a lot of views. Okay, as you can see, this one right here is getting 173 views per hour. So basically, this is going to be a very good video to work with, and I can guarantee you that most people who are coming to watch these videos are looking to make money on YouTube. And that means this course is going to be a perfect course to sell to them, because you can see right here how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. So basically, this is going to be a perfect course to sell to them. Now what you want to do from here, you want to click on this sort by, and you want to click on newest comments. All right, so basically these are the people that you are going to be replying to. As you can see, this one right here, just 2 subscribers. All right, so basically you want to reply back to these people and tell them how you got value from this course right here. So basically, if they click on this page right here, they are going to go to a webinar where they can actually watch free valuable video, where the owner of this course, Matt Parr, is going to upsell them in his paid course. All right, so basically that is one of the easiest way that you can start driving traffic to this course. And also, if you go back, all right, this is not the only video you can use. There are a lot of videos right here. You want to repeat the same process for all these videos right here. You want to go to the newest comment, and you want to leave them a reply on how you got value from this course. So basically, you don't need many people to buy this course for you to be in profit. All you just need to do is make a single sale a day, and you are making $1,000 every single week. All right, so basically you can come back here as well. You don't have to promote only this course. You can also go to the next page. You can also scroll down. You are going to see other courses as well that you can promote, but basically you want to apply this same method to get traffic. The first method is by going over to Google, and like I said, you can type in make money on YouTube blog. All right, it's the same thing as well. You are going to see a lot of websites where you can leave comments. All right, so if I click on this comment again, all right, so you can see right here that this is a post about how to make money on YouTube. And now if I scroll down to the very bottom of the page, you can see we have comments from people who have read this blog. So basically you want to do the same thing, and you want to leave your comment on this blog as well. As you can see right here, you can post your comment, and also you can see this blog is ranking on first page of Google, and I can guarantee you that this blog is getting thousands of traffic every single month for this keyword. So basically you want to look for websites like this that allows you to leave a comment, and you want to repeat this same process over and over again. And also you can see there are next page right here that you can go to see other websites as well. Those are the 2 strategies that you can apply and start making money online with Digistore24. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you find any value, please drop a like on this video. I do appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.